In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the cowboy song, Goodbye Old Paint. Let's go to the piano. Check out the time signature. It's 3/4. The top number tells you how many beats there are in each measure. This time signature tells us that there are 3 beats per measure. The bottom number tells you what kind of note gets the beat. For this time signature, the bottom number is 4, which means the quarter note gets the beat. Goodbye Old Paint begins with a pickup note in a measure with only 1 beat. After that, this arrangement sticks to what the time signature says. Let's start with the melody in the first 2 measures. You'll play A, G, A, C with right hand fingers 5, 4, 5, 1. It sounds like this. A, 1, 2, A, 1, 2. Try it. Great. Did you notice that I didn't count with the phrase half note? Now that you've started with level 3, we're switching to the way professional musicians count. With this counting system, you'll need to know what beat the note starts on and how long it lasts. The half note in measures 1 and 2 start on beat 1 and last for 2 beats. You'll count 1, 2. I'll show you what to do one more time, and then you can try it. A, 1, 2, A, 1, 2. You try it. Terrific! For the bass clef notes, you'll play F, E, F, E with left hand fingers 2, 3, 2, 3. It sounds like this. F1, 2, F1, 2. It's your turn. Awesome. With both hands together, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go for it. Terrific! Let's try the next phrase. You'll play A, G, E, D, C with right hand fingers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It sounds like this. 1, 2. Try it. Way to go. The bass clef notes begin after 2 beats of rest. You'll play G, F, E, G, A, G, C with left hand fingers 1, 2, 3, 1, cross over 2, 1, 5. It sounds like this. Give it a try. Fantastic! Let's put both hands together. To help you put both parts together correctly, I'll say together when I'm playing notes together, and right or left when I'm striking keys with the fingers of just one hand. It goes like this. Right, right, together, 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 left, 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 left. Now it's your turn. Awesome! The next 4 measures are almost identical to the measures you've already learned. The only differences happen at the beginning and the end of the bass clef part. Let's practice the bass clef part. You'll play C, E, F, E, rest, rest, G, F, E with left hand fingers 5, 3, 2, 3, rest, rest, 1, 2, 3. It sounds like this. C, 1, 2, F, 1, 2, rest, rest, G, F, 1, 2. Try it. Great, let's put the whole thing together. Together, 1, 2, together, 1, 2. Right, right, together, together, 1, 2. Go for it. If playing the whole thing at one time was challenging, pause the lesson and practice each hand separately 3 times, very slowly, and then try it again. That's it for the A section. The B section is next, and it's 4 measures long. Let's start by learning the melody. You'll play C, 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 E, D, E, D, C. With right hand fingers, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's your turn. Awesome! The rhythm for the bass clef part is exactly the same. You'll play E, 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 G, F, G, F, E. With left hand fingers, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Try it. Fantastic! Let's put both parts together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go for it. Terrific! The last A section is a short A section. It's exactly the same as measures 5 through 8. I'll play the last 4 measures to help you remember what the previous measures sound like, and then you can try it. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's your turn. Way to go! Here's what Goodbye Old Paint sounds like all the way through.